Let's pretend that in art class you are learning how to make a mosaic. A mosaic is made by arranging small pieces of colored material like glass or tile to create a design. In this particular mosaic, you have mosaic 1 has 3 tiles and then 1 on the corner. Mosaic 2 has 3 tiles and then 2 tiles in the same one corner. Mosaic 3, you have 3 tiles and then you have 3 tiles in that same corner. Do you see the pattern? I would like you to draw the next 2 mosaics, please. I would like you to create this table. Now, for mosaic 1, I want you to tell me how many total number of tiles there were. There were 4 tiles. In mosaic 2, there were 5 tiles. Mosaic 3, there were 6 tiles. I would like you to complete the next 2 mosaic numbers and tell me how many tiles are in those mosaic numbers. Do you see a pattern with the number of tiles? You are adding +1 every time. Is there anything that's constant in this picture? Do you see that there is constantly 3 squares that do not change? I want you to think about that and try to create a rule that would give you the next picture. In the first mosaic, you have 3 tiles plus 1 corner tile. In mosaic 2, you have 3 tiles plus 2 corner tiles. In mosaic 3, you have 3 tiles plus 3 corner tiles. So your rule is 3 plus x equals y, where x is your input. What are you putting in? In the first mosaic, you're putting in 1 corner. Mosaic 2, you're putting in 2 corners. Mosaic 3, you're putting in 3 corner tiles, and then your y is your outcome. How many pieces are there total? In this particular mosaic, you have mosaic 1, you have 3 tiles, and you have 1 tile on each of the corners. Mosaic 2, you have 3 tiles, and then now you have 2 tiles on each of the corners. Mosaic 3, you have 3 tiles, and you have 3 tiles added on to the end of each corner. I would like you to draw the next mosaic. What will this picture look like? In mosaic 1, you had 7 tiles. In mosaic 2, you have 11 tiles. In mosaic 3, you had 15 tiles. How many tiles did you have on this next mosaic number? Do you see a pattern here? What are you counting by? Is it the same every time? It should be. Now let's create a rule for that new picture. How many tiles were always constant in that picture? There should have been 3 tiles that were always constant. Then you're going to add for each corner. How many corners are there? Well, there's 4 corners. The x would be your input. What mosaic number am I trying to find out? This will in the end give me your y value, which is the number of tiles that you have in the picture. Let's look at this mosaic drawing. In mosaic 1, you have 6 tiles and then you have 1 tile in each of the corners. Mosaic 2, you still have the 6 tiles and now you have 2 tiles in each of the corners. Mosaic 3, you still have 6 tiles and then now 3 tiles in each of the corners. I have started a table based on that last picture. I would like you to complete the table for your y values and tell me how many total tiles are in where x is 2 and where x is 3. I would like you to create a rule if you can. If you cannot create a rule, that's okay. We will discuss this in class on Monday. On your quiz on Monday, you will need to be able to create a table based on the picture, and I Identify your independent and dependent variables based on the picture shown.